Today is our second day in Manuel Antonio, and today we are going to check out the national park. It's our first full day, so we're really excited. We're going to start off with a guided tour throughout the park so we can hopefully find lots of wildlife. We just finished up with our guided tour in Manuel Antonio National Park. It was awesome. We had the best guide. We saw sloths, a ton of monkeys, what else? Lizards, all sorts of awesome animals.
So now we've changed into our bathing suits and we're going to go swimming in two of the most beautiful beaches we've ever seen, Playa Manuel Antonio and Playa Espadilla. We're currently swimming in Playa Espadilla inside Manuel Antonio National Park, and it is absolutely beautiful. The water is warm, there's not really any waves, so it's perfect to just sit and relax.
We've cooled off a little bit now that we swam at the beaches, and we got really lucky. We saw a ton of monkeys, so we got a lot of pictures and videos with them.
Now we're heading up the Cathedral Trail to Cathedral Point, which will give us great views of all of the surrounding beaches. Manuel Antonio National Park so much the other day that we decided to come back again today.
So today we're going to explore some more of the secluded trails and beaches.
The first trail we're going to check out today is the Waterfall Trail. It's about half a mile, and in the rainy season you should see a pretty big waterfall, but it might be kind of small today, so we're going to go check it out.
Well, they don't call it a seasonal waterfall for nothing. We did see a little bit of a trickle, but you can tell that since it's the dry season, it's really not flowing the way it should be.
So when you do a guided tour, you basically just walk down the main trail of the park, and then there's a sloth trail that runs parallel to it, which is like this heightened bridge. So we're gonna do the sloth trail today.
So now we're gonna head down the Mirador Trail, which is technically the most difficult trail in the park. But at the top there's supposed to be a really nice viewpoint, so let's go check it out. In today's animal count, I am crushing it. I've got a total of 8 right now, mostly geckos and lizards, while Emily has a grand total of 2. And one of them's a bird.
That counts. That
viewpoint we were just checking out is known as Puente Serrucho. So to get up here is about 250 feet of elevation gain, which is about 80 meters.
It's mostly stairs on the way up, which normally isn't that bad, but it's so hot and humid here, so it makes it really tough. So now we're gonna go down the Congos Trail here. We're gonna check out these more secluded beaches. They shouldn't be as busy as the main ones, hopefully. And then we're gonna go back this way to make a big loop.
That viewpoint we were just at was the Playa Espadilla viewpoint. We thought we could swim there, but looks like it's closed down for swimming due to some rocks and tides and whatnot. So now we're gonna head over to Playa Gemelos.
So here is Playa Gemelos. It's one of the smaller, more secluded beaches in Manuel Antonio National Park, and it's just as beautiful as all of the others too. To leave the national park, you can walk around the Playa Espadilla Trail, which is a sandy path that also has great views of the beach if you look to the side. So it's kind of sad to leave with all this beauty around us. So I hope you enjoyed exploring Manuel Antonio National Park with us. We've explored all the trails at this point, and we've got our bathing suits on and we're ready to swim.
Yep, so thanks guys for watching. Hope you found this video useful, and feel free to check out our other videos on our channel and subscribe to us too.